When you visit websites like TikTok, Amazon, or any other website, you might face a Google CAPTCHA verification. After clicking "I'm not a robot," you may be asked to complete a task like selecting traffic lights or vehicles. Sometimes, even after selecting the correct images, it doesn't let you pass. Don't worry, here I'm showing you how to bypass it. Let's go. To easily bypass CAPTCHA verifications, you can install a simple extension called Buster, CAPTCHA Solver for Humans. So, open up the Chrome browser on your PC or laptop. Then search Chrome extension. Next, click on this URL. Now search here, Buster. Now, here you can see the extension called Buster, CAPTCHA Solver for Humans. Click on it. Next, click on Add to Chrome, and then click Add Extension. After installing the extension, a white icon will appear at the top of your browser. When you visit a site with a CAPTCHA verification, this icon will turn orange. For example, I'm going to show you. Add a new tab. Search Google reCAPTCHA demo. Then tap on the first URL. Now take on the "I'm not a robot" box. Here you can see the orange profile icon. If you don't see the icon, click on the puzzle icon at the top right. Then tap the pin icon to keep it visible. Now reload the website and click on "I'm not a robot." Instead of manually completing the verification, simply click on the orange Buster icon. The extension will automatically solve the CAPTCHA for you. Once it's done, click Submit to complete the verification. Now you can bypass CAPTCHA verification easily with the Buster extension on Google Chrome. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out and saved your time and frustration. If you found this video helpful, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.